Dear students, in this we are going to see few more results followed by problems. Some important expansions. If modulus x less than 1 and n belongs to Q, but n does not belongs to n, then one minus x whole power n equal to 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial x squared minus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cubed plus etc. plus n into n minus 1 etc. n minus r plus 1 by r factorial into minus x whole power r. One minus x whole power minus n equal to 1 plus nx n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial x square plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3 factorial x cubed plus n into n plus 1 up to n plus r minus 1 divided by r factorial into x power r plus etc. 1 plus x whole power if we have plus here 1 plus x whole power minus 1, then we should have minus n x plus here minus here we have minus x whole power r. One minus x whole power minus 1, that is 1 plus x square plus x cube x power r. 1 plus x whole power minus 1, 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cubed plus etc. minus x whole power r. One minus whole power minus 2. 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared plus 4x cubed plus etc. One plus x whole power minus 2. 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared minus 4x cubed plus etc. r plus 1 into minus x whole power r. Here t r plus 1 equal to r plus 1 into minus x whole power r. One minus whole power minus 3 equal to 1 plus 3x plus 6x square plus 10x cubed plus etc. plus r plus 1 into r plus 2 by 2 factorial into x power r. General term r plus 1 into r plus 2 by 2 factorial into x power r. One plus x whole power minus 3, 1 minus 3x plus 6x squared minus 10x cubed plus r plus 1 into r plus 2 by 2 factorial into minus x whole power r. General term r plus 1 into r plus 2 by 2 factorial into minus x whole power r. Let m be a positive positive rational number. Say m equal to p by q. Where p, q are integers, q not equal to 1 and x a real number such that modulus x less than 1. One plus x whole power p by q equal to 1 plus p by q by 1 factorial into x or simply 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q, p into p plus q by 2 factorial by p into p minus q by 2 factorial x by q whole squared plus p into p minus q p minus 2q by 3 factorial by x by q whole cube plus etc. plus p into p minus q etc. p minus r minus 1 into q whole divided by r factorial into x by q whole power r. One minus x whole power p by q, 1 minus p by 1 factorial by x by q plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial x by q the whole squared minus p into p minus q p minus 2q by 3 factorial x by q whole cube plus etc. minus 1 whole power r p into p minus q p minus 2q etc. p minus r minus 1 q by r factorial x by q whole power r. Next result, 1 plus x whole power one plus x whole power minus p by q, 1 minus x by p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole squared plus minus plus next minus p into p plus q p plus 2q by 3 factorial x by q whole cube minus 1 whole power r p into p minus q etc. p minus p plus r minus 1 into q by r factorial x by q whole power r. Next, 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. For this, 1 plus p by 1 factorial x by q, p into p plus 2 factorial x by q whole squared. Here plus this term will not come, p into p minus q, so p plus q the previous result also we should have p plus q. The previous result also instead of p into p minus q we should make p into p plus q, make this correction. So p plus r minus q by r factorial, this is okay. Find the value of or find the sum of one plus 1 by 4 plus 1 into 3 4 into 8 plus 1 into 3 into 5 4 into 8 into 12 up to infinity. that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 into 3 by 4 into 8, 1 into 3 into 5 by 4 into 12 up to infinity. This can be written as 1 into 1 factorial by 1 by 4 plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 by 1 by whole squared, 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 1 by 4 the whole cube up to infinity. 1 plus 1 by 4 by 1 by 4, 1 into 3 by 2 factorial 1 by 4 the whole squared, 1 into 3 5 by up to infinity. So P plus Q, P into P plus Q, P plus 2Q. So this is on the form of 1 plus P by 1 factorial x by Q plus P into P plus Q by 2 factorial x by Q whole squared, P into P plus Q, P plus 2Q by 3 factorial up to infinity. So equal to 1 minus x whole power minus P by Q, where P equal to 1, P equal to 1, P plus Q equal to 3, Q equal to 2, x by Q equal to 1 by 4, x equal to Q by 4, so that is 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus P, that is 1, Q, that is 2. Half whole power minus half, 2 power minus 1 minus half, that is 2 per half, root 2. If x equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 and 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5, 10, 15 plus up to infinity. Find three x square plus 6x. adding 1 on both sides. 1 plus x equal to 1 plus 1 by 5, 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 up to infinity. 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 by 1 by 5. We take 5 in common in both terms, that is 1 by 5 whole squared plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 by 1 by 5 whole cube up to infinity equal to 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q, this is 2 factorial x by q whole squared plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial up to infinity. So 1 plus x equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. P equal to 1, p plus q equal to 3, q equal to 2, x by q equal to 1 by 5, x equal to q by 5, that is 2 by 5, 1 minus 2 by 5 whole power minus p by q minus half. Three by 5 whole power minus 1 by 2, 5 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. That means root 5 by 3. Here we have 1 plus x. 1 plus x the whole squared equal to 5 by 3. 1 plus x squared plus 2x equal to 5 by 3. Which implies 3 plus 3x squared plus 6x equal to 5. 3x squared plus 6x equal to 5 minus 3. 3x squared plus 6x equal to 2. That's the answer. So using this kind of formula, go through all type of you go through this kind of formula. I mean 1 plus x whole power p by q, 1 plus x whole power minus p by q, 1 minus x whole power plus p by q, 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Using those results, you can adjust the given sum in one of the given formulae. Then what I solved to the example same order, you can do the sums easily.